See, I want to open one website. This is the website. Okay. See, here if I scroll this page, there is some UI elements that is called as subject and then name, email, and finally click on that sign. So I want to automate this web application. Okay. I want to automate this web application right now. See, if you want to automate that web application, see, we have to use that. So job related activities right now, I will show you. Go to the studio, go to the UiPath studio. Click on the transactional process. Web manual process. Go to the left drive. Right now, click on that. Create. Click on that open main workflow. Remove this flowchart. See, drag a sequence. Set as start node. If you want to automate that web application, just you have to take that activity is called as open browser is the activity. Drag that open browser is the activity. Drag and drop. See, first you have to copy this URL. First you have to copy this URL. Control C. Right now, paste it here. Right now, go to the properties. In this properties, you have to select that browser type. See, already I told you how to add that extension to the browser. So if you are using that, Internet Explorer at that time, no need to add any extension. Okay. If you didn't choose that any browser type here, so automatically by default, it will take that Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer. Okay. See, but already I have installed that extension to that Chrome. So that's why I want to use that browser. So select that Chrome. Okay. Right now, I will check it whether it is successfully open or not. Simply, I have taken that open browser activity. In this one, simply I have given that URL, and then in their properties, I have selected the browser type. Okay, right now, click here, run this file. Successfully open this web page. Okay, but I have to update the data in the contact form. Okay, in this form, I have to update the data. But once if I open this web page, here we have a banner. This time there is no scroller here. If you want to try to scroll this page, there is no scroller here. Okay, simply observe this one. See, we have to press the tabs. In case once if you open this web page, if the details, that means this your elements is available, we don't have any issue. But once if you open this web page here, there is a banner, right now observe this one. So if you want to move to that up to that subject, then you have to press the tabs. Right now I want to count the tabs. See see right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Once if I press that 16 tabs, automatically my cursor is waiting at subject. So in my keyboard, I have pressed that tabs. Okay, I have pressed that 16 tabs. Okay, right now observe this. So how to use the tabs? Okay. So how can you press the tabs? So by using that hotkey, we know that send hotkey is the activity, right? See, so in here we have a page up and page down also available. Page down in the sense directly go to the down. Page up in the sense directly go to that up. Okay. So that's why there is no possibility to use this one. See, that's why only I'm using the tabs. Right now, right now, right now, right now, I want to use that tabs. Okay. See, first of all, we have to use that after open browser activity, use that activity is called as so maximize window. Maximize, maximize, drag and drop maximize window. So because if it is open with small window, it will be maximize it. After maximization only, just we have to spy that U element. See, I want to use that send hotkey. Send hotkey is the activity. Okay. So, but right now I want to press that 16 tabs. So right now here by using this one, I can press that only one tab right now, right? So if you want to press that 16 tabs, so you have to use that 16 send hotkeys, we have to use it. But that means our use case also increases here. So that's why I want to remove this one. Simply I will take one loop. So I will run that loop up to 16 times. Okay, so that's why inside that loop, I will keep it that send hotkey. Right now, I will show you. I want to create that I is the variable and then integer type and then so main scope. Observe this one. Take as an activity. I want to take while activity. See, I equals to 1 and I less than or equals to 16. 16. Right now, I want to take that send hotkey, drag and drop, select the tab, see, select the tab. Just I want to drag that assign activity and I will increment it. I equal to I plus 1. Okay, so observe this one. See, just I want to minimize this while activity because I have no need to say this code. Okay, so that's why minimized. If you want to see this code, click on that expand and maximizes this one. See, if you disable this at the time, it never work out, but we are not disabling. So minimizing and maximizing. Okay, so right now I want to show you how it will be pressing the tabs and how it will be moved to the top to subject. Okay, right now observe this. So click here, run the file. Right now in that left side bottom you can observe this one URL is changing. That means here my bot is pressing the tabs. Okay, observe this one. My bot successfully pressed that 16 tabs. My cursor is waiting at subject. Right now just you have to take that. Right now I want to minimize this one. No need to see that code. I want to take that. These are called as text boxes, right? As usual, in the desktop automation, whatever the activities you have used, that activities directly you can use it here. Right now, see, type into is the activity, drag and drop. Just how many text boxes here? One, two, three, four, five, six text boxes. Right now, observe this one. I will take that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right now, indicate element inside the browser. Just it is highlighting, right? Select it. So click indicate. See right now, email, location. Okay. See, observe this one. This is the description. After description, again you have to scroll the page. This time you have to press the tab. Then see, observe this one. So once if you press the tab, again page scroll. I'm not interacting with this captcha. Okay, this is the captcha. I'm not interacting. Okay, just I'm going to interacting with that button. Send mail is the button, right? So right now observe this one. See, I want to take the click activity. Click is activity. Drag and drop. See, select that button. See, observe this one. Just I want to write the subject. Subject is called as so robotic process automation. Name is called as see right now email is @gmail.com. Phone is 93908640006. Location is Hyderabad. Description is uipath studio and robot. Okay, see, after writing the description, again, it has to press the tab. So this time, here in this type into, we have a plus symbol, right? Click on this one. Once if you click on this, you will get that hotkeys. Okay, see, observe this one. I want to select that tab. Right now, observe this. I want to close this application. Right now, see, click here, run this file. My bot only opened that application and then it is pressing the tabs right now. It is pressing the tabs. Successfully open that application and update the data. Okay, and then see, observe this one. So bot only close that application. So if you want to close that application, so this time we have to use that activity is called as close tab is the activity. Close tab is the activity. Drag and drop. See, observe this one. So observe this one. Open browser is the activity. Go to their properties. In this properties, there is having that UI browser. Click here. I don't know what exactly that variable type. So that's why I'm using that shortcut. Control K and then var browser. See, go to that variable panel, check it what exactly the type. So the type is called as uipath.core.browser is the type. uipath.core.browser is the type. Okay, right now observe this. See, open browser activity output property is the input to close tab. Close tab. Click here, go to the properties. So pass that variable here, var browser. Okay. So right now I want to use that one delay activity. So delay activity, drag and drop. So here, observe this one. Just I want to add that. So time span, hours, minutes, 0.5 seconds. See, okay, okay. One extra wrong character added here. See, observe this one. My bot only open that web application and update the data and close that application. So right now, click here, run this file. Successfully open that application and then maximize that window. After that, it is pressing the tabs. Finally, close that application. Okay. Right now, here I have passed that only static value. Okay. So right now, in place of that, so I want to pass that variables. Right now, save as web manual process 2. Right now, I want to go to the variable panel. So I want to create the variables. var var see var subject var name var subject var name var see var location var phone var description, right? See see right now I want to take that input at runtime by using input dialog box. Okay, right now enter subject var subject, enter name var name, enter phone var phone, enter location var location, enter mail ID, enter description, var description. Okay, right now, in place of this string, I want to pass that variables. Var subject, var name, var mail, var phone, var location, var description. See, right now, observe this. I want to take that input at runtime. Just now, right now, I want to pass that variable, okay, into that, type into activities. Okay, click here, run this file. Subject is uipath studio and orchestrator, and name is called as Nagaraj. So, and phone is 9390864006. Location is Hyderabad. Email ID is nagaraj@gmail.com. Description is robotic process automation. Right now, press the enter. Observe this one. My bot only successfully open that web application and then update the data and close that application. Okay, this is second one. The second one we are going to follow in that, but input I am taking from, so from other source itself. Okay, read the data from other source itself. Okay, do you have any queries here? Okay, so today I will close the session at 7:45 because I have some work, so that's why. And right now I'm not able to continue that another topic. See, uh, in desktop application manual process, I didn't give that use cases. Okay, so right now I will give that. So whatever that web and desktop applications manual in any application, say we are going to follow that only that manual process. Okay, observe this. In last class, we discussed about that school management system. So how to that means how to open that desktop application and then so update the data in that add teachers. Okay, and then and close its application. Once if you update this data, click on that save. Form will be closes here and finally close this application. Right now, observe this. Simply just simply you have to take one Excel file. See, just you have to take one Excel file. See, prepare that sheet. See, you have to take one Excel file. In that one, you have to take 10 rows of data. So, see, in the desktop application, whatever the fields are there. So we know that. So in the desktop application, in add teachers, see, so first name, surname, home, phone, mobile, and email. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5 fields are there. So in this one, so see, in Excel, I have taken that 5 fields. Okay, so just you have to take 10 rows of data here manually. Just you have to take 10 rows, 10 rows of data. That means 10 members of teachers data. You have to take it. See, my bot read that row wise data. See, first of all, my bot open this application, and after that click on that add teachers and update that row wise data here. So in this form, update the data, click on that save. Once if you it is first row of the data is updated, the form will be closes. Again, just you have to, so my bot click on that add teachers and update the data, and then click on that save. This process will be continue up to end of the row. So finally, if there is no data at that time, simply close that application. See, bot only open that application and bot read the data from Excel, and then see, by using that Excel related activities and data table related activities, you have to use it. See, click on the add teachers and then see, update the data. Once Excel data is over, then finally close this application. This is the simple process. Okay, you people try to implement this one. Do you have any queries?